and one of the CCIE bottom line, okay, these two, they got the job. They got the job. Okay, so to have the certificate or not, it really depends. It really depends. So bottom line, we need to have the knowledge in order to open the door of network technology or network field. Okay, B, to write the exam to get certified or not, that really depends. Okay, depends on which position, okay, or which sector it is. Okay, if you want to work in the Cisco partners, okay, probably you have to write some of the certificates because their customer expect their supporters to have the certificates to be certified. Okay, if you are working for enterprise level system, okay, for example, you work for Coca-Cola, you work for Toyota Canada, Honda Canada, no one really expect you to have CCNA or CCIE at all, as long as you feel comfortable to do your job. Okay, as long as you feel comfortable to work with all other groups, network groups people, okay, to do your projects, to maintain the system, to troubleshoot the system as daily routine. Okay. So to have the certificate or not, it really depends. Okay, but bottom line, we need to have the knowledge. Okay, so CCNA and CCNA different track. It means the foundation. Okay, it means the foundation. It answers the question what it is. For example, what routing switching is, what security is, what wireless is, what it is. How it works, well, it depends on the next level. The next level, it answers the question how it works. That's professional level. We know how it works, we are ready to implement the projects, we are ready to handle the troubleshooting, we are ready to analyze existing domains because we know how it works. Okay, we know how it works. So that's professional level. So for professional level here, we still have routing switching. That's again the infrastructure. That's the backbone of all the domains. Okay. So we have routing switching here. It's called CCNP. Okay, Cisco Certified Network Professional. Okay. And for other tracks, accordingly, they have design level professional certificate. It's called CCDP, Design Professional. Same story for security. Okay, we have CCSP and the CCNP. Okay, later I'm going to explain the difference. Okay, what's the difference between CCSP and CCNP security? Slightly different. Slightly different. Okay. Wireless track, same story. We have wireless professional level certificate. It's called CCNP wireless. Okay, voice is called CCVP. Okay, previously, and now it is called as CCNP voice. CCNP voice. And of course, if you have years experience, okay, you can promote yourself. Okay, technically promote yourself to the very high level. Okay, that's the CCIE level. Okay, and there's no need to rush. There's no need to rush. Okay, you do need to have enough hours hands-on experience. Okay, it's better to have years, let's say 2 to 5 years experience, and then you move on to the B level, expert level. Okay. There are some successful stories, okay, but they are not typical examples. I know there's one lady, she's my friend, okay. In China, she was a nurse. She came here, she learned computer science diploma in Senegal. Okay, sorry, that was 2 years. And from the 3rd year, she started to learn CCIE. Okay, she bought all the equipments, put in her basement, and play and even sleep with those equipments every day. So just 1 year, she got CCIE certified, and now she's working as a senior senior network administrator. But this is not typical example. Okay, so naturally you need to have 2 to 5 years experience, and then you start to prepare your CCIE. Okay, unless you can really spend the whole year. Okay, you sleep with routers, switches, and then, yes, that's very short-term. That's very short-term. Okay, even you dream the iOS. Okay, so that's not typical example, but it happens. It happens. It can be done. Okay, so this is the Cisco's answer. How, okay, we can equip ourselves, or how Cisco help us, okay, to get into the field to satisfy all the industry demand. Those are the industry demand, right, from different technologies. So this is a big picture, okay. How in this school, how we manage all the courses and how we can help you to find out the shortcut in a very limited period of time to reach the high level to satisfy the industry demand. Okay, So A, we prefer one type of learning style. Okay, so that means we have 1 hour lecture. Okay, you need to have 1 hour lab to match that lecture. Okay, we have devices. Okay, now all the devices, routers, switches, firewalls, they are in the Mississauga campus. Okay, if we run the course here, we're going to move them down here. Okay, but currently they're there. So we just finished one CCNP course over there last month. Okay. This one, it means reading. Okay, so 1 hour lecture. Okay, 1 hour lab and 1 hour reading. This is how we manage our learning. Okay, we are going to open all the labs. Okay, so for example, we finish all the lecture in the morning time. Okay, if you are free in the afternoon, we encourage you to stay in the lab room to practice. Okay, you may have 2 hours, 3 hours lab. We are going to roll out all the lab scenarios. We're going to help you. We're going to show you all the lab syllabus, all the lab steps, something like that. And also, you need to have the same amount of hour for reading. So you have tons of reading material. Okay. If you register the course, we are going to invite you in a study group. That is a Yahoo study group. It's called C Network. C Network at Yahoo Groups.com. Okay, so this is our online community. Okay, so how we share our material and how we can post the questions, how we answer the questions, or even share the answers. Okay. We have tons of reading material, okay, uploaded to the Yahoo group. So you need to download, you need to read carefully. Okay, so this is how we learn to help us to successfully, okay, to handle each level learning. Okay, each level of learning. Okay, A level, P level, and even E level. Okay, even E level. Okay. So this is how we handle the course. Okay, how we handle the course. Rest of time, I will answer any of your questions. Okay, regarding Cisco certificates, regarding the industry demand, regarding anything else, or regarding Jacky. Yes, question.
Can you explain a little bit more about the data center?
Data center.
Which was on this line.
Data center, you can see data center. It is a first of all, it is not one technology. Okay, unlike IP telephony or security or routing switching, data center it is one. Actually, this is one kind of domain. Okay, we need to work on. There are lots of technologies involved in this domain. So if you want to relate it to the certificates, you can see it has storage networking. Okay, combined. Storage networking system combined, or SAN, SAN combined. It has service provider operation combined. It has routing switching. It has security. It's all involved in the data center domain. I would say it is a domain. It's not just one technology. Okay, so server technology is there. Fiber technology is there. Routing switching, storage, they are all combined in that domain.
Certification is the same.
Regarding certification, you can see you need to have routing switching, you need to have security, you need to have storage, you need to have service provider operation, those knowledge. Okay, so it's not just for one certificate. The certificate here is kind of narrow down. Okay, if you focus on routing switching, fine, CCNP is for you, right? You want to focus on security, that's fine, CCSP is for you. It's very, very narrow. But talking about data center, it's all combined. It's all combined. Okay, even some of this, they are not even show up in the list. Okay, virtualization is not here. Okay, cloud computing is not here, but they have to be in data center. Okay, blade server technology. Okay, they are not really here.
So if I want to know, I don't care about certificate really, but I really care about what I really know. So if from a learning perspective, and I want to know what and why, and I don't have any Cisco certificate, should I CCNA and design? One is CCNA, one is design.
Okay.
Which one should go?
I would say, except CCNA.